Secure the bag, yeah, that's the brand, and we get to the bag.
Yo, what's going on, family? So I want to just do a quick little recap, kind of show you all some stuff that we kind of talked about and now I'm seeing play out. I told you all Microsoft, of course, Microsoft was going to all-time highs. I told you, of course, we had a big, like pretty much the biggest short covering rally was coming. And it's here, right? Of course, this is over a month ago, maybe I think it's like late May, something like that. So it's here. And now I'm sure a lot of people are asking, okay, Tay, but like, is this it? Like, are we going to like pull back now? Or is it going to keep going? Like, what's up? So we're going to kind of go over that today as a review, and then we'll kind of, look at a few things. So of course, I want to look at Microsoft, see how far we can go. And I mean, did we hit all-time highs? Because I called here that we were going to get to all-time highs, which I can tell you now, spoiler alert, we did. And then, of course, I told you a short covering rally was coming, and I mean, the market is going nuts. So with that being said, let's check those out, and let's see what review we have today, whether we're going down or up. Let's check it out. So, of course, we'll start with Microsoft just because I think I want to, I want us to end with a bang. But yeah, this was, of course, our all-time high originally, which was right around that 349. Maybe about, like I said, maybe about a month ago, maybe in May, something like that, we were getting to like 310. Some people would have thought that this might have been a a retracement. A lot of people say, "Oh, it's 50% retracement. We should fall from there." But I knew once we got above 50%, that was something I was looking at. Once we got above 50%, again, I mean, potentially, once we got above 50%, again, like I said, I mean, that's a sign that we're bullish. So we got above that 50% retracement area. We held it, as you see. Let's go back real quick here. Boom. As you see, we got above the 50% and hold. That is a very bullish sign. Anytime you see that, we're probably gonna take off. If you want to be safe, you can even go here. But I like once we get 50%, we hold that. That's bullish. That's bullish. And I know at that point we're going all-time highs. So this is what I saw, and we did. We cracked that all-time high here at 350. So that was a really good play. So literally, I mean, that was a good entry here because you held it for, it gave you 3-4 weeks to get in at 280, and then we took off, right? So I do think we have a little bit more room to run, maybe as high as about 370 before we pull back. And maybe we do pull back first because this looks like maybe we do pull, maybe we get a soft pull back, maybe to about 311, 300. And then we run to 370. That could take, a minute though. So it could take a minute, maybe another 6 to 12 months. So don't, don't go in and say, oh, I'm going to give me a couple months out, contract. No, you're probably going to lose. Okay. So that's what I'm seeing with Microsoft. And then let us go to the ES. All right. So same thing with the ES. I'm calling it now. ES and the S&P 500 will hit all-time highs as well. It's going to take us a little bit longer, probably about probably like that same time frame I told you with Microsoft, needing to get to like 370. I think we're gonna take some time. So maybe about 6 to maybe even 18, as high as 18 months to hit this all-time high area. But I do see us coming up here and trying to crack this high right here. So that's what I see. Boom. I have a wave pattern playing out, of course, on the daily. I've been calling this wave pattern for a while now. I do think, I mean, it's playing out perfectly. So wave one, wave two, I think this was one of three, two of three. You got your three of three right here. And I think actually we can run even a little bit higher, but you got your three of three somewhere in here. I don't expect us to get too much higher over like, I don't even think we're gonna go 4,600, but we could tap somewhere close to about 4550-ish. Then I think we're gonna get a wave four down, right? Now wave four can't go too far, right? It can't go too far. Why? Because if this was wave one, you cannot come in wave one's territory, which wave one's territory will be 41 66, right? So I personally do not see a pullback into wave one territory. So with that being said, wave four is only going as low as about 4,200, maybe, right? So I like wave four for about 4,200. We'll come on up out of there, wave five. And that's honestly when I think we're going to try to go up and crack that all-time high area at about 4,800. That's what I'm seeing. So for me, I'm going to be looking to play all of this. Y'all know how we do. We play on the 5, maybe even a 1 minute chart. So in the STB Discord community, we're going to catch all of this. As it goes up and down, up and down, up and down, going down, we'll catch it. And then as it goes up, 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 we'll go up and down, 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 up and down. And we'll make 30% a day, 10% a day. That's how we play the game. So for those of y'all who've been watching the profits and the free, my free Discord members, y'all get to at least see the profits. So y'all know we're not capping. You know we're not lying. So at this point, y'all are just watching people make money on the sidelines, right? And that's cool. But I wanted to show you that and give y'all access to that so you can see, like, man, okay, this guy's not lying. Like, he's actually good at what he does. His team is good. They're getting money, right? So that was just me kind of showing you how this thing works. So keep in mind, this is also a support line that we need to be aware of. So once again, that pullback will and should take us back to that line, but it should hold it, even if it breaks under a little, which I have seen that before. It'll break under it, give you a fake out. Some people call it a bear trap, and then they'll break that thing back to the upside. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what I think may happen. Like I said, I'm not going against wave structures. These are some of the biggest things that the market gives us. So yeah, I'm going to keep bullish over the next year or two. And we'll see how this thing plays out. So other than that, hey, I'm on the road, like I said. So we just enjoying time. I'm getting more into, like I said, daddy mode, husband mode. So every now and then I'm gonna come drop one of these videos for y'all. And have some fun with it. But other than that, I tell people a lot of time, I'm like, listen, you can come to STB if you want more of my time. We go live every Sunday. And then of course, if you want to do like some day trading with the group, you can of course come to the Discord. But other than that, I'm gonna just sprinkle a little time and then I'm going back to daddy mode. So this was my time. Y'all enjoy your day. Have another great profitable trading week. If you're not profitable, you need to get with somebody who's profitable. We're profitable. All right. Love y'all. Y'all enjoy your stuff. Enjoy your day. I'll talk soon. Peace.
Secure the bag, yeah, that's the brand, and we get to the bag.